Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 19th block, which is area and perimeter, isn't it, children? So, in this, we have completed with three topics. Yes, and also we have started with the fourth topic, which is area in real world. Okay, that means in real world, where do we use area? And we have done some sums, isn't it, children? Finding the area and all. Yes, so let's continue with that topic. You have two sums which you have to do it in your classwork. So do those two sums in your classwork, and for homework it is volume book. Okay, so let's see what are those two problems. Okay, before that, let's recollect the formulas, children. Why I'm daily in each class I'm recollecting these formulas? Because it will be easy for you for remembering. That's why I'm daily recollecting the formulas for perimeter and area of square and rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, or you can say 2 into L plus B. Okay, and perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, or 4 into S. Okay, children, and area of a square is equal to side into side. Yes, and area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, or you can say L into B. For area of square also, side into side, you can read it as S into S. Both are same. Okay, so let's continue with the sums, children. So the area of a square park is 400 square centimeters. So they have given the area here. Calculate the length of the side of the park. So generally what happens, they'll give the side and they'll ask us to find the area. But here they have given the area. They are asking us to find the length of the side. Yes, before in perimeter sums also we have done. Perimeter is given, then we have find it the length by dividing by 4. The 4 multiplication, will move it to the other side of the equal to and make it division 4. Yes, the same way. Okay, but we will use the area concept here. Okay, children, so let's write the what is given in the sum, as it is a word problem. Okay, so area of a square is equal to 400 square centimeters. Do remember, children, whenever we are writing the area of any shape, we have to represent the units as square units. Okay, length and perimeter just units, either centimeters, meters or kilometers, but for area it is square units, that is square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, like that. Okay, and what they are asking us to find, length of the side, that is side. What is the formula for the square park? What is the area of the square? Side into side, isn't it? So here you have to multiply one number to itself to get 400. So here, children, you have to do little of mental math. How? See here, if you see, children, there are two zeros, isn't it? Answer is 400. So to get the answer 400, what you need to multiply to itself, like 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, the same number should be multiplied to itself to get the area, isn't it? So to find that, let's do some little of mental maths. Okay, so here you have two zeros. Do you remember, children, when we were multiplying with 10, 100, after multiplying with the numbers, we used to count the zeros and we used to keep it in the answer, isn't it? Yes, so we will use that concept, but we will go in the reverse order. Okay, first you used to multiply the numbers, write the answer, then you used to count the zeros, and you used to add it at the end, isn't it? So here we already have the answer. Now we have to find the question here indirectly. Yes, so you have two zeros, so let's write 1 0 one side, it is ending with 0. Okay, two zeros, so here you have two zeros. That way we finished. And what should be added you to get 4? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. That means you need to have 2 and 2. That becomes 20 into 20. If you multiply 20 into 20, children, first you will multiply these two, that is 2 into 2, which is 4. And then you will add 1 and 1. Two zeros you have, so you will add two zeros. Now you can tell me, why can't we add multiply 2 into 200, that also 400 only? No ma'am, you may ask me. But children, here the concept is side into side. That means these two numbers should be same, isn't it children? That's why it becomes 20 into 20, not this 20 into 20. Okay, so little of mental maths. Okay, so 20 into 20 centimeters will give us 400 square centimeters. Now side you got 20 centimeters. So you will write side is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay children. So here children, you have to learn the tables till 20. It will be helpful for you in your higher classes also, like in the next grades also. Okay, at least till 20 you need to learn. The rest you can do the multiplication. Okay, 20. And also you have to learn what is the answer when the number is multiplied by itself. Okay, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So in that way you have to remember that. That will be helpful in these problems, like when the number is multiplied to itself, it will be easy for you to write the answer. Okay, at least till 20 if you learn, the rest you can multiply and you can get it with the help of these 20 tables. Okay children, so let's see the next one. So the total cost of rolling a square ground is rupees 50,000. Calculate the length of the ground if the cost of rolling is rupees 5 per square meter. Okay, so there is a square ground in which they have done the rolling, and to do the rolling of that square ground, it is 50,000 rupees. Okay, and also they have given, if they roll it for 1 square meter of area, then it is 5 rupees. Okay, so they have paid the amount of 50,000 rupees. That means you need to find the area. From that you need to find the length of the ground. That's what they ask, no? Calculate the length of ground. That means from this cost you need to find the area, and from area you need to find the length. Okay children, so let's write what is given in the question first. So cost of rolling for the square ground, we don't know how much they have rolled, but it is 50,000 rupees. Okay, and cost of 1 square meter is 5 rupees. Now what we need to find, that is area. So how you can find area of a square ground into cost of rolling per meter is equal to 50,000 rupees. Okay, that's what you will do. No, if one cost of one apple is 25 rupees, what is the cost of 5 apples? So what you will do, you will do multiplication to get the answer. So here we got the answer, and also we know the cost. We don't know how many apples we are buying, isn't it? So in this way you need to find. So number of apples there, here it is the area of a square ground. Okay, now cost of rolling per square meter is 5 rupees, isn't it children? So area of a square ground into 5 is equal to 50,000. Now here it is multiplication here, isn't it children? Here it is multiplication. So we have to bring it to the other side of the equal to. So when multiplication is moved to the other side of the equal to, what it becomes? It becomes division, isn't it? So area of a square ground is equal to 50,000 divided by 5. Okay, so let's do the division. You already know the division, isn't it children? Now the first digit is 5, isn't it? So you know 5 ones are 5. Okay, and you will do the subtraction in division. So 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Now children, here you have 0. The answer here also you got 0, and here also you have 0. If you get some 1 or 2 or any other number, you have to bring down the next digit and you continue doing the division. But here we got the answer as 0, and here also we have only zeros. There are no other digits also, isn't it? If it is from 1 to 9 any other digits, then you have to again continue with the division. But here there are zeros, so I'll place these zeros into the quotient. Okay, so how many zeros you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 zeros, I'll place it in the quotient. Okay. Now the answer is 10,000. That means area of a square ground is 10,000 meters. Now we got the area. Now we have to find the length. So how you can find the length? Area of a square ground will be equal to side into side, isn't it? That means side into side is equal to 10,000. Again, here we have to use the mental maths, children. So how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So 4 zeros, you have to make it equal and you need to multiply. That is 0, 0 into 0, 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros you finished. And what is the number here? 1 you have. Where you will get 1, 1 ones are 1, isn't it? So you will add 1 and 1 here, which will be equal to 10,000, isn't it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and 1 ones are 1. Yes, that means 100 into 100. So you will write 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000 square meters. Now what is the side? What is the length of the square ground? That is the side of the square ground, 100 meters. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to solve these two sums, children. Write these sums in your class book. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 18, S4, area in real world. Okay, so with this, we have completed with this block, children. So in the next class, I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.